How to create a KuCoin account. Hello everyone. KuCoin is well known for its user-friendly interface, low trading fees, and support for a wide range of popular cryptocurrencies. In this video, I'll show you how to create a KuCoin account. To create an account and receive attractive offers from KuCoin, visit coinaz.net/KuCoin. Or click on the KuCoin account creation link in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, enter your email or phone number. Click Create Account and claim reward. KuCoin just sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the message that KuCoin just sent me. If you don't see the message in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I will open the message. Copy the verification code. Then, paste or enter the code here. Click Submit. Next, create a password for your account. Here are the password requirements. I'll use an example password as shown on the screen. Click Confirm. Your account has been created successfully. To receive rewards of up to 20 USDT and unlock all KuCoin features, you need to complete identity verification. Click Verify now to get started. If you want to change the country or region where your document was issued, click here. Then, click Get Verified. Here, choose one of the following documents for verification: ID card, passport, and driver's license. After selecting your document, click Continue. Next, choose a verification method. Scan the QR code with the KuCoin app, or verify on your current device. I'll choose to verify on the current device. Click Continue. Then, click Start Verification. Here are the requirements for verification. Click Continue. Select Allow to access the camera, and place your document inside the frame. The next step is facial verification. Click Continue. In this section, please review your information. If all the information is correct, click Continue. Your documents are being verified. To secure your account, click Security. I'll show you how to secure your account using the Google Authenticator app. Click here. Click link Google Authenticator. KuCoin requires email verification. A verification code has just been sent to your email. Please check your inbox and enter the code. Next, you need to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone to scan the QR code on your computer screen. If you can't scan the QR code, you can enter this code manually. Now, I'll show you how to install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. To install the app, open the App Store on iPhone, or Google Play if you're on Android. Here, search for Google Authenticator. This is the app we need to download. Click here to download it. Then, click here to open the app. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. To begin, either scan the QR code or manually enter the setup key. I'll choose Scan a QR code. Select Allow to access the camera. This is the verification code generated by the app. Please go back to KuCoin and enter this code. Enter the verification code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Click Submit. You've successfully enabled Google Authenticator to secure your account. I've completed the guide on creating a KuCoin account. Wishing you success.